Hey guys, today we're going to learn about the Linux command top. Now top will give you a live view of the processes running on your system, and it allows you to do things with those processes and sort them and things like that. Now we're only covering the absolute basics of this command. There's a ton of like obscure stuff that you could know about this command. We're just covering the absolute basics, just the everyday stuff you would normally use with this command. So let's just jump right into it. So this is super common and installed on almost all systems. So you type top, and this gives you a live view. Unlike the PS command, this gives you a live view of what's running on the system right now. And notice it updates every now and then. So up here you have this header section that gives you a bunch of info about the system, load average, uptime, number of tasks running, CPU, memory, swap, all that stuff. And then it gives you this header up over here and all the processes running, and it sorts them as their usage changes. So for the top command, you can use Q to quit, or you can do F to manage fields, and here you can shut some fields off or enable some fields. Hit escape to get out of there. So let's say, see how we have PR, NI, and invert. All right, so let's say if you want to get rid of some of those, maybe these two are not super useful. Maybe remove time and this guy right here. There you go. You get a little bit more simple, fewer columns here. And let's see. If you manage fields, you can also you can use a space button to enable or disable, and it tells you up here at the top what to do. Now S selects sort. So say if you want to sort by CPU, you can say S. Now you're going to be sorting by CPU. If you say S on mem, you will be sorting by memory. So then you can get on out of here, and now these are, notice, sorted by memory. Now you could also F, you could sort them by command as well, which is a little bit silly, but you could do it if you wanted to. And notice they are now sorted by command. So those are the important commands for the top command. Let's Q to get out of here. There's a ton of very obscure and things of questionable usefulness that you can know about the top command. I'm going to make a huge, really long video about it, but a lot to know about it. I'm not covering that in this video. So hopefully you found this useful, if not just interesting. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you know something I don't know, or any comments, questions, criticisms, anything you want to say. I want to hear it, but also definitely hit the subscribe button because we have a lot of other great tech content you just don't want to miss out on. So definitely hit the subscribe button. We do like coding, Linux, servers, hardware, software, electronics, networking, all sorts of great stuff, robots. Don't miss out on that. Definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the little bell icon. Otherwise, YouTube won't give you notifications when new videos get posted. And also check out the list of videos we've already published. We have a ton of great content out there already, so definitely check that out. And that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.